Today's video highlights new power tools from Dewalt, Harbor Freight, Kreg and Ryobi, from high-performance compressors and woodworking gear to cordless blowers and high-torque drivers, all built for maximum power and precision. Cordless grinding reaches a new level with the Dewalt 60-volt max side-handle detect grinder, matching the power of a 13-amp corded model. Its side-handle detect system only activates when you hold it correctly, preventing accidental starts. The brushless motor spins up to 9,000 revolutions per minute with a strong 2,400-watt output, cutting through metal and concrete with ease. Anti-rotation safety technology stops the grinder during kickback, keeping you protected. The 6-inch wheel handles both precise work and heavy material removal, giving pros corded-like performance with full mobility. While tough jobs can drain batteries quickly, the combination of power, safety, and versatility makes this grinder a standout choice for any demanding job site. Cutting precision meets portability with the Dewalt 20-volt Max XR 10-inch double bevel miter saw. A single charge powers over 430 cuts in 3 1/4-inch MDF base molding, while the bevel gear system reduces power loss for longer runtime. The cut-line blade positioning system ensures accurate cuts without constant adjustments. And at just 34 pounds with a built-in handle, it moves easily around any job site. Strong dust collection keeps your workspace clear, and while the 10-inch blade limits larger material cuts, this saw excels at trim, interior, and finishing work. Now, the Dewalt 20-volt Max XR brushless drill driver makes tough jobs feel effortless, delivering smooth drilling and fast fastening with 25% more power than similar models. 2 speeds let you switch between 650 revolutions per minute for torque and 2,000 revolutions per minute for high-speed tasks, while the metal ratcheting chuck and 15 clutch settings prevent overdriving. An anti-rotation system stops the drill if the bit binds, keeping your wrist safe. And a 70-lumen LED lights up dark work areas. Each charge handles around 170 holes, and while it is sold as tool only, adding batteries turns it into a versatile companion for almost any mid-level project. For tough job site work, the Fortress 9-gallon 135 psi wheelbarrow air compressor delivers reliable power with ease. Its Predator 212 cubic centimeter engine drives a dual-cylinder cast-iron pump producing up to 10 cubic feet per minute at 90 psi, enough to run 3 nailers at once without pressure loss. The 10-inch flat-free wheel rolls smoothly over rough terrain, while recessed gauges, a raised belt guard, low oil shutdown, and an easy-to-read oil sight glass keep safety and durability in check. The cast-iron pump handles harsh conditions, and the hour meter helps track maintenance. Pros rely on its consistent startup even at high elevations, and while it is heavy, this compressor offers steady, contractor-grade performance for long, demanding projects. For serious recovery jobs, the Badland Apex 12,000-pound winch handles the toughest pulls with ease. Its 80-foot synthetic rope is safer than steel cables, and the wireless remote lets you operate it from a safe distance. The oversized forged alloy steel hook resists bending under repeated heavy loads, making it perfect for muddy, rocky, or overland terrain. Off-roaders rely on its strength and versatility to position recovery points exactly where needed. With a 12,000-pound rating, it tackles most recovery tasks while remaining manageable for expeditions. Though it is heavy and requires secure mounting, this winch delivers dependable performance for serious off-road adventures year after year. Woodworking just got easier with the Kreg Rebel 20-volt Ionic Drive Pocket Hole Joiner Kit, the first cordless handheld pocket hole drill for full mobility. Its brushless Ionic drive motor delivers steady torque for perfect pocket holes, while one-motion drilling speeds up projects and built-in dust collection keeps the workspace clean. Micro adjustments handle material from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches thick, and the Grip Max handle ensures a secure hold during aggressive drilling. The metal frame is tough enough for job site use, and the narrow rail guide simplifies edge joinery. Clamping boards is often unnecessary, saving time, and while it is not suited for heavy structural joints, the Kreg Rebel excels in everyday woodworking tasks. Precision takes center stage with the Kreg Ionic Drive Adaptive Cutting System Plunge Cut Track Saw, built to handle every material with ease. Its 6-speed brushless motor adapts smoothly, and the blade left setup gives right-handed users better control and visibility. The 62-inch guide track lets you make long, clean crosscuts in one motion, while the thin curve 40-tooth carbide blade delivers splinter-free edges that cut down on sanding. Safety features include an electronic brake, anti-kickback system, and fully covered retracting blade. Bevel cuts from -1 to 47 degrees are simple, making angled work easy. While it excels at sheepwood crosscuts rather than ripping, cabinet makers and trim installers rely on the Kreg track saw for improved accuracy and workflow on tight or mobile job site setups. For precise drilling and fastening, the Kreg 20-volt Ionic Drive Drill and Driver Combo Kit packs impressive power into compact tools. The 1/2-inch drill measures just 5.9 inches long and delivers 650 inch-pounds of torque, with a 2-speed gearbox offering 500 revolutions per minute for control or 2,000 for speed. Its 20+1 clutch settings prevent stripped screws and surface damage. Bright LEDs, metal chucks, and ergonomic soft grip handles make both tools easy to handle. Compact size lets them reach tight spots that bigger tools cannot, making the Kreg combo ideal for woodworking and lighter fastening tasks, though heavier metal or concrete work will require stronger specialty tools. Now, the Ryobi 40-volt HP Brushless 800 CFM Blower delivers gas-like power without the noise or fumes. It beats a 31-centimeter gas blower while running 82% quieter thanks to Whisper Series technology, perfect for early morning yard work. With 800 cubic feet of airflow and 180 miles per hour airspeed, it clears wet leaves, matted grass, and tough debris effortlessly. The 40-volt HP system combines a brushless motor with smart electronics and high-output batteries for up to 85 minutes of runtime. Variable speed trigger and cruise control lock offer precise control during long cleanups. While heavy, all-day use can drain the battery faster, it remains an excellent cordless alternative to traditional gas blowers for most homeowners. For quick and easy drain clearing, the Ryobi 18-volt 1+ 25-foot Drain Auger handles pipes up to 2 inches, tackling sink, shower, and tub clogs with an auto feed and retract system that prevents cable tangles. The 1/8-inch cable fits most residential plumbing, and the enclosed drum keeps mess under control. An LED light brightens dark cabinets, while the ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to use. It also works with the Ryobi Link storage system for neat organization. Not suited for large commercial drains, this tool is a real time and money saver for homeowners and light-duty contractors. For those tough jobs where you need to clear out a puddle or a whole basement corner, the Dewalt 20-volt max transfer pump makes the job surprisingly easy. Its self-priming feature means you just set it up and it starts pumping water with no extra effort. While it's perfect for mechanical and plumbing professionals, anyone dealing with water or glycol mixtures will appreciate how smoothly it operates. It can handle a 60 by 40 propylene glycol mix, making it a great choice for HVAC work as well. Plus, the LED power switch ensures visibility in low light conditions. Compact, cordless, and easy to carry, it's designed to keep you mobile and hassle-free when water's involved. These are the latest power tools from Dewalt, Harbor Freight, Kreg and Ryobi. Tell us which one caught your eye in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe for more updates.